Hello everyone, this is the arena of close calls, crushing impacts, and total operator mayhem. Veterans in the field recognize this fear instantly. Rookies? They usually learn it the hard way. If you appreciate the hard work and the risks behind the scenes, hit like and share your thoughts below. Remember, when using a chainsaw, safety precautions are absolutely essential. It takes real courage to show up and do jobs like these every single day. When you hear a chainsaw running, stay alert, and if possible, keep your distance.
Seen all over Carmi, Illinois, many trees uprooted right out of the ground. Many of those land.
One wrong cut, and disaster is only a heartbeat away.
Ow. Are you alive?
Holy shit! Almost.
A professional tree service job, but this one went sideways fast. One bad cut, and the entire setup spiraled into instant chaos. Well, guess what? Some stuff just doesn't like being shot at. Tree splitting often happens when internal stress or decay weakens the trunk. This clip captures a classic compression failure under tension. Dramatic to watch, but predictable with age and rot.
One bad cut and the forest decides to fight back.
One wrong cut and the forest fights back. The tree crashes down, crushing the truck in seconds. One miscalculation, tons of steel lost. Cutting a hollow trunk that's burning from the inside is pure danger. He says the fire has spread through the roots, and judging by that glow, he's probably right. The D8 dozer is an engineering powerhouse, but it has also become a symbol of unsustainable land use. Its brute force efficiency in clearing forests comes at a devastating cost: biodiversity loss, soil erosion, and climate damage. In 2022 alone, 12.7 million hectares of irreplaceable forest disappeared, driven largely by soy and palm oil expansion. We need a smarter balance between feeding the world and protecting it.
Going on.
We had to let Tarquin go. He wasn't honest on his job application. $500 a day, facing dangerous flames with sweat, skill, and pure guts. Anyone who's battled forest fires knows that money is earned the hard way. The ladder chose the worst possible moment to give up on him. With the Morbark 1100 tub grinder, you're not just getting raw power, you're getting dependable performance. Its 24-hammer rotor ensures steady, consistent output, while the Cat engine delivers proven long-term durability. From heavy-duty operations to everyday jobs, this grinder is built to perform without compromise. Zedor Crystal 12,845 in the forest. Old school iron, raw torque, and relentless traction, proving that classic tractors still earn their place in the woods.
Oh my God.
They are about to discover just how heavy 500 pounds of greenwood actually is. Oh man, you can almost smell the first-timer energy from here.
Yeah. Back up here.
Now this is what I call next level performance. Fast, precise, and incredibly accurate. This slab processor makes every cut look effortless, and watching it in action is pure satisfaction for any wood enthusiast.